Welcome back viewers. So in the last two videos we have seen the media sources tab and the update tab of Mageia welcome app. The MCC tab is nothing but a link to the Mageia control center and the MCC documentation, which we will cover in the separate video series. So we will not go and check out all these things here. Right now we will just focus on the welcome app of Mageia. So let us go over to the next tab. So this is the install software tab. So with Mageia, you will find the software in media repositories. Mageia users simply access this media via one of the software managers. So RPMdrake we have seen during the review of KD desktop. So that is available here as a link. So if you click here and input your password, the RPMdrake software manager will open. You can see it here. This, if you remember, we have seen RPMdrake is there, and we have seen this software manager. So now let us go over and check the Dnfdragora. So you are about to install the following software packages on your computer. So friends, RPMdrake is the default software manager, but if you want, you can use the Dnfdragora also. But once you click here, the Dnfdragora needs to be downloaded and installed. So if you want, we can proceed ahead. But I will not prefer Dnfdragora. And you have to use this Dnfdragora, not GTK but Qt, because this is a KD desktop. So Qt will work here better. GTK can also work, but GTK will not sync. It will not suit the window styling and all those things. So Qt is better. GTK will look very old with Qt. And these are all the application packages that will be installed. 8.3 MB of additional disk space and 2.2 MB of packages will be retrieved. So we can go ahead. So what we were discussing here. So RPMdrake is the default software manager. If you want, you can install Dnfdragora, but I will not prefer Dnfdragora because I have used Dnfdragora in Fedora. It is hopeless. You see, it takes a lot of time to sync with the repositories, and it is always lagging. If you click here and there, the Dnfdragora will not respond. Let us see whether it is good here in Mageia, but in Fedora it is hopeless software manager. Better stick to the command line to install any of the packages that you want in Fedora. GNOME software will work very good in Fedora, but for KD desktop, don't use Dnfdragora in Fedora. Let us see whether it works properly here in Mageia. So the installation is complete. I think yes. So it has automatically opened up. Also, you see, it takes a lot of time for the first sync with the repos in Fedora. Let us see what happens here in Mageia 9. If it takes more than 2 minutes, we can safely assume that it is going to give us trouble here also. So better stick to RPMdrake. RPMdrake was very nice. It was just like the YAS software manager in OpenSUSE. It works perfectly. I had no issues. I had played with the system in between the videos that I am posting. You can see here it will take a hell lot of time. I think this also, here also it is going to give us trouble. Okay, so it is going to take a long time and we will not wait for that much. So best is we stop the video here. Don't use Dnfdragora. You stick with RPMdrake. It works very nice. So bye bye. See you in the next video with the some other features of Mageia welcome app. Bye.